Hello, I'm Dr. Surisha and I welcome you warmly to my channel. Okay, in this video, you're going to learn all about target marketing. What is target marketing? Why a marketer chooses to target his market, and what are the different levels or types of target marketing that we have. Okay, so before I get into the topic, I request you to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Well, target marketing. Like all the consumers are not out there to use all the products that the company produces. Okay, not every customer becomes your potential customer. Okay, not everybody in the market becomes your potential customer, and no company for that matter can produce a product that can be serving the needs or purpose of all the people out there in the market. So this is exactly where target marketing comes into picture, because the companies, they definitely have limited resources, right? Resources are always limited. The company, no matter how big it is in size, but still it will have all its resources, be it human resources or be it investment or be it promotions or whatever, the time, the energy, the effort that they put into, they are all limited, and a wise marketer has to make the most use of their resources. Okay, so what a marketer does is, like, they try to segment the market, and I have in detail told you about segmentation in a different video. In another video, please do look at it for better understanding of what segmentation is. Okay, so in order to segment the market, a marketer definitely uses lots of criteria, and from those segmented markets that are homogeneous, okay, marketer tries to choose particular group of markets or particular markets to target, so that the communications or the marketing efforts or the investment, the resources, whatever the company spends or whatever the company disposes with, are directly targeted to the right kind of customer segments. Okay, so that there is no confusion, there is no waste of resources, and the communications or the marketing efforts are directed straight away to the right set of customers. That is why companies always try to target and select the markets carefully. Okay, so there are in order to target the market, you need to identify the set of customers that are exactly your targets. Okay, and for that, based on so many criteria like demographic variables, geographical variables, psychographic variables, okay, and based on the need criteria, okay, they need to carefully select the group of customers that they are about to target, right? And then they have to concentrate all their marketing efforts on the right set of target markets, right? And now there are different stages or different types of targeting. Okay, say for example, some marketers, some companies, based on the kind of product that they offer, kind of product or service that they offer, they may go for mass marketing. Mass marketing, that is, there is no differentiation in the target market. Everybody is their target. Okay, this is called undifferentiated marketing. There is no differentiation. Everyone is the target. There is no target marketing here. There is no segmentation here. Usually for products like say FMCGs, fast moving consumer goods, like for example, you are a company who is producing say a toothpaste. Okay, for a toothpaste, everyone is a customer. You don't have to really segment the market, or you don't have to really target the market, target the specific group of customers for selling a toothpaste or any FMCG or a shampoo or a soap or any daily use products. Okay, so here the level of differentiation is zero. There is no differentiation here. You are trying to market your product at a mass level or at a larger scale where there is exactly no differentiation. Okay, so that is one kind of marketing. Okay, and the next level comes the segmented market or differentiated market. Here comes all your segmentation process, right? In this kind of marketing strategy, you are going to segment your market. You are going to group the customers based on certain common criteria or common characteristics. You are trying to group the market based into homogeneous small groups, right, based on several criteria. For example, you are a company who is trying to sell say sports shoes or sports wear. Okay, sports wear, again, you have already segmented the market that you are going to target only the sports people who are into some kind of a sport. And then again you are trying to segment your market based on whether you are targeting cricket players or football players or hikers or golfers, okay, or gym going people, gym goers. Okay, so based on the different kinds of segments you are trying to offer your product, and based on the different criteria you are trying to segment your market. You are going to differentiate that market, and for each segment you are making an exclusive offer, be it a product or a service. Okay, so this is called segmentation or differentiated marketing. This is how you are going to target the right group of customers. Okay, and the next level comes your niche marketing or concentrated marketing. Niche marketing, you know what niche marketing is? Niche marketing means you are even more exclusively trying to focus. Even more exclusively you are trying to target your specific group of customers. Okay, say for example in the sportswear, maybe you are trying to target the plus sized people, more than XXL size. Okay, you are trying to offer your product exclusively for plus sized customers within the say sportswear. So see, you are going even deeper. Okay, you are trying to focus your efforts and concentrate your marketing efforts even closely. Okay, so that is another kind of market targeting, that is niche marketing. Okay, and even further, you can go even further, that is personalized marketing. You are going to micro market, you are going to micro target your customers. You are going to customize the product offering or the service offering that the company is making, say one-to-one basis. Okay, mostly this happens in B2B, business to business transactions, but there are like if you are offering a software package, for example. Okay, then based on that particular customers, based on that particular client that you are going to serve, based on that client's requirements, you are going to completely customize your software. Okay, so this is the highest level of targeting. Okay, you are closely on one-to-one basis, you are trying to make your product offering or service offering. Okay, so these are the different kinds or different types where how you can target your markets. Okay, so definitely results will be very fruitful if a marketer attempts to properly identify his target markets, and then he chooses the right kind of target markets, and then he aims all his marketing efforts or marketing activities towards them. Okay, so this is about target marketing. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.